How to install a timing chain on a Toyota 2GR motor. Looking at the front of the engine, this is your bank 1, this is your bank 2. You need to make sure that bank 1 timing gear is lined up properly. So this one notch should line up with this notch right here. And then this one notch right here will line up with this notch right here. And for bank 2, these two notches are gonna line up with this notch, and these two notches will line up with this notch. To line up the cams, you're gonna have this special spot for your wrench that you're gonna put on to help you rotate it back and forth to line up the notches. Your crankshaft sprocket has this timing mark that should line up with this line right here. So your timing chain has 3 marks. The 2 yellow ones will line up with the timing gear, and the 1 red one is gonna line up with the crank gear. You're gonna line up the first yellow mark on bank 1 with this yellow mark. But in order for you to fit this timing chain here, you have to rotate it forward so this flat spot lines up here and the chain sneaks in. Then slowly roll it back. Now we're gonna line up bank 2. We're gonna take this yellow mark and line it up with this yellow line where the 2 dots are. That's bank 2. Lines up perfectly. Sneaks around like this and down to the crank. And lastly, line up the red one with the last timing mark like this. Now install your last guide like this with the timing tensioner like this. Double check that everything lines up. Yellow with 1 dot here, other yellow with a dot here. Crank lined up. So finally, you're ready to pull the pin. Thanks for watching, guys.